Assalamu alaikum and good afternoon, grade 1. How are you all doing? Good? That's very great. Yes, I'm also good. Alhamdulillah. Thank you and welcome to your computing class. In today's class, what we will be doing, we will doing some more practice on paint. Today we will learn that how we can save our work, right? Then how we can reopen that saved work from that particular folder and we can make changes in that. Okay, so today we will learn all of this together. So now I'm going to share the screen with you. I'll open paint. I want all of you to please open paint on your devices as well so that we can learn this together. Open this please. Okay, let's first make something. Okay, I'm going to make some smileys over here. Oops. Oh, this is not a smiley. How we can make, okay, let's make like this. See, I have drawn a circle. Now I will erase this part of circle so that it looks like a sad face. Just wait for it. Is it clear now? Does it look like a sad smiley? Wonderful. Okay, let's color this with maroon color. Oops, no. This with black. Now first choose this. Now maroon color. Now put this. And the eyes should be, let's make them blue. Okay. Now let's make this as a happy face. Okay. So in order to make the happy face, I'll be using again the circle one. Choose the black color of it. Now I will again take the eraser and I'll remove this part so that it looks like a smiley. Okay. Now again, make this. Now choose the bucket, color bucket. Let's choose purple color. And for the eyes, let's choose this orange color. Yahoo! Okay, does it look cute? Now we will learn that how we can save it. I'll click on this file. I'll click on save as. Now here I will give the title to it. The title I'm giving is Smileys. Okay, and from here you can choose the location of it. So I am saving it in documents. Okay, save. Now what I will be doing, just wait for a moment. Now I will open the document folder for you and I'll show you that whether the file is there or not. Just wait. I'm going to share the screen again with you. Now see, this is the folder, document folder. How I have opened this, first you will click on the PC which is on the desktop. You will click on that. From there go to documents, or you can simply search over here in the type here to search, you will write document and you can open it. Now see over here, this smileys is there. I'll just click on this. When I'll click on this, the new window or this has opened for me. Sorry. So see, in this manner, we can save our work and we can open it as well, right? Now I want you to make anything. It can be anything. You can make the smileys, you can make a house, you can make a parrot, you can make another animal, whatever you want to. Save it and then try to find out whether you can reopen it or not. Hurry up. Yes, do yes, do change the name of it so that you can easily find it, okay? All of you are done. Show it to me one by one. Where you have saved it, Alize? On the desktop. Okay, and you can easily find it. Very good. What about you? Yes, Ali, in document folder, and you can easily find it. Excellent. Yes. What about you, Sarah? In the document, you can also find it. Wonderful. So that was all for today. Do practice it at your home as well and let me know if you have any confusion. I'll be seeing you tomorrow. Take care. Allah Hafiz.